Let's go ahead and look at a problem where we are going to be creating an equation for a line that goes through the given point and is going to be parallel to the given line. So let's go ahead and identify the point that our line should go through. So the point that our line should go through in this example is 5, 1. And it's supposed to be parallel to a line that we're given there, which is y equals 3 over 5x minus 4. Because we're given a line and our line will be parallel to that equation, then we're going to be writing our equation in point-slope form. Then later we're going to convert it to slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b because it's easier to graph. So the general form for point-slope form is given to you there. And I'm going to highlight the 3 different spots where we're going to be plugging in some numbers. So everything else in the equation will stay the same, but those 3 things that I highlighted. So our lines are supposed to be parallel. We know that the slopes for parallel lines are the same. So the slope for my line will also be 3 over 5. Remember, the slope is always the coefficient for x. It's that number before the x. So let's go ahead and start plugging in our values. So my y sub 1 would be 5. It's the y coordinate of my given point. My m, we already said that will be the same as that line there since they're parallel. So it's 3 over 5. And my x sub 1 is 5. So notice how my equation has minus signs. Okay, so we're going to clean this up so that we can convert it or rewrite it as slope-intercept form. So we're going to go ahead and distribute our slope. And then I'm going to do the side work on here when I distribute the 3 over 5 to the 5. So any whole number, we can make it a fraction by putting it over 1, and then we just multiply straight across. Now, the denominator should be 5, because 5 times 1 is 5, not 3. I'm gonna go ahead and fix it right now. But I'm going to show you a different way that we can look at this problem. Since we can cross cancel, that will leave us with negative 3 over 1, which is the same as negative 3. And let's go ahead and fix this answer, right? Because it should give us the same answer if we do it in different forms. Okay, so that would give me negative 3. And we're going to rewrite the left side since we didn't do anything with the left side. Now our goal is to isolate y because it needs to be y equals some quantity or expression. So we're going to do inverse operations. So we add 1 to both sides. The slope is 3 over 5 since it needs to be the same as the other line. So here's my equation for my line that would be parallel to the given line there and goes through that given point.